Lezibalo zichaza ukuthi isiphansi ngo-7,405 isibalo samacala anendluzula abikwe emaphoyiseni ngalesigamo sonyaka uma kuqhathaniswa nalesi sikhathi nyakenye.
This trend started in 2024, so long before I was appointed, with violent crime having dropped by 10.2% since then, resulting in 17,440 fewer cases reported compared to this latest quarter.
Ngaso lesi sigamo sesine sonyaka ehle ngo-9.5 wamaphesenti amacala okubulawa kwabantu ezweni lonke, kepha ungqongqoshe uthi lesi sibalo sisephezulu.
In the same quarter of last year, 5,727 people were murdered. That number has come down to 5,181, still too high.
Behlile nobugebengu bokuphanga emakhaya kanye nokuthunjwa kwabantu.
It is also heartening to see double-digit decreases in the serious armed robberies that make up the trio crimes. There has been a 24.4% reduction in house robberies.
Ubugebengu okhona kubo ukugqekeza ukwebiwa kwezimoto nemfuyo bona behle ngo-8.5 wamaphesenti.
I can indicate that the issue of stock theft is receiving attention. It's a difficult crime to police, but we had an interesting engagement with the authorities in Botswana, and you know that there are several provinces in South Africa with a common border with Botswana to discuss, among other things, strengthening our relationship to deal with cross-border crime.
Ukhomishana wamaphoyisa KwaZulu-Natal uNhlanhla Mkhwanazi uthe uculisekile ngosekwenziwe umbutho wamaphoyisa ukulwa nobugebengu kusukela enza isithangami sabezindaba ngoNhlangulana nyakenye.
We are beginning to see cases enrolled in court, and that is all what was a cry for us. Some criminals that were walking freely, they are now in custody. And we are seeing the beginning of the grinding of the criminal justice wheel as it's supposed to be.
IKwaZulu-Natal ihamba phambili ngamacala okubulala okweyamene ne-GBVF ilandelwe i-Eastern Cape kuze i-Western Cape. Umkhankaso we-Operation Shanela ushayelwe ihlombe njengoba selokhu waqala ngo-2023 bangaphezulu ka-2.2 wezigidi abantu ababefunelwa amacala ehlukene ababoshiwe.